Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix mobile data problem in your AI plus smartphone. If sometimes internet is not working, crashing, sometimes not downloading apps or anything, so how you can fix all these issues in your AI plus smartphone. So let's start friends. First you have to open your airplane mode. It will refresh your internet connection, so you have to just wait for 10 seconds at least, and then you have to turn it off back. Then second step is you have to go to your settings. Now you have to click on mobile internet or mobile network. Click on the sim card, and here it is APN, access point name. You have to just reset it to the default, and your network settings has been reset successfully, and this will be working and your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.